We're very lucky that we have an incredible amount of talent within the ADDMAN group. We are on multiple boards, multiple committees, whether that's ASTM, AMS, SAE, following all of the industry standards, major presence at AMUG, major presence in all industry best practice setting bodies. That is a huge benefit to us because then we bring all of that knowledge and information internally, and it just allows us to then provide that as a standard service to our customer. That keeps us current. We're on the leading edge. We're driving change with no matter whom we're working. So whether that's our software providers, whether that's our OEM machine providers, whether that's our OSP providers, our outside service providers, we are driving change for them because as fast as our customers are iterating, we must keep up, they must keep up, and by combining all of that knowledge and collaboration, we are literally able to stay at the cutting edge of these drastically changing synergistic projects that are occurring and that are literally disrupting the industry of traditional manufacturing.